Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so glad that you're here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm doing a palette with the Dose of Colors Cutting Edge palette. And if you couldn't tell by this delicious soft case, it is a green palette. And oh shoot, I looked at it earlier and I dug a little, let me pat that down, dug a little chunk out. That makes me sad. But anyway, it's a beautiful green palette, and I'm going to swatch it for you. I swatched it earlier, and I messed it up a little. Oops. So there is 5 colors in here, and there's a little brush. So I am going to, let me grab a tissue to dry my fingers off when I'm done. So I'm just going to swatch, swatch, swatch. And these shimmers and mattes look fantastic. So that gold is amazing. And that is just a beautiful green palette. I love green palettes. My friend Jo, Just Jo Withrow, has a channel and she showed me this palette the other day and I was like, hell to the yeah, that's up my alley, girl. So I had to try it and I got it from Ulta and I ordered it and it came super fast. So let's do a real cool quick look with this. I am gonna have to use another palette to do like a base color for my brow bone and stuff and for my crease. So I'm gonna use, which I use quite a bit as some good neutral colors, is Beauty Bakery's Proof is in the Pudding. And I'm first gonna get a little fluffy brush and go into Rice Pudding. And go under my brow bone. I'm just going to set the whole eye with this color. I had a back procedure today and they gave me some medicine for it. So if I'm a little weird or weirder than normal, then you know why. And then I'm going to go into the crease with Butterscotched. That's not really showing up much, but that's fine. It's just a little base. And thank you, Proof is in the Pudding. Next up, I'm going to be putting this, it doesn't really tell me, there's names on the back, but it's really written tiny. So I'm not going to bother looking at that. But I'm going to go into this first olive color. It's kind of an army drab. And oh, the pigment is fantastic. This is gorgeous. I am loving it. I'm blending it out. And a little bit in the crease. And I just did one dip and it's doing all that. Let me get that tissue. That went a little further than I want it to go. Magic tissue. So let's go into the other side. Into the crease, blend it out. Maybe a little bit more of this green. There's a little bit of kick up in the pan, but it's not bad. A little higher on this side. That looks good. Abso-freaking-lutely, it looks good. This is so pigmented. And I've had Dose of Color palettes in before that were all matte and they were stunning. But I'm so excited that this has shimmer in it. I'm going to use the same brush and go into, maybe I'll switch. No, I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go into this shimmer here, this green shimmer. Oh yeah, that's going on awesome. Super pretty. And the shimmer is awesome. It's just going on great. Everybody says it goes on like a dream. But what kind of dream is that dream? Is it an impossible dream? To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unfightable foe. That's from the Man of La Mancha or some shit. The Impossible Dream. But I am loving this so much. It is so pretty. And I'm going to take another brush here, and I'm going to I'm going to go into this darker color here, this darker olive. And just deepen it up a little more. Oh, it's so pretty. I hope you guys aren't getting sick of green. But this is stunning. A little in the crease. And then last but not least, I'm going to put the gold on the lid. And I'm going to use this little packer brush from Alter Ego. It's really great with shimmers. It's almost like such a great little gold. And it blends into that green so nicely. There's a little kick up in that. This palette is definitely a keeper. And it does make a completely different green look than, say, my Juicy Olive palette that I just did the other day. I got a little under the eye. So pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of Star Island, my favorite highlighter from Ofra, and where's my little tiny brush? Here's my little tiny brush. And I'm going to do inner corner with this Star Island. And it just wakes the eye up just a little bit. I haven't been doing inner corner highlights lately. But it is beautiful. A little more on this side. So pretty. It needs to be blended out a little. So my faithful blending brush. Just softening everything up. It's a little darker on this side, so I'm going to take off a little bit of the color. It's easier to take a little off than it is to add the right amount more on the other side. And I'm going to get some black eyeliner from Stila. And I've got a new sample of a mascara that I've been wanting to try, that even though I have a bunch of mascaras open, I'm going to give it a go. Super pretty. And it is the Go Big or Go Home mascara from KVD. And it's got a nice big brush on it. And it's a nice dry formula. I think it needs another dip. Lots of length, and it's separating the lashes nicely. Oh, that looks pretty. It's so pretty and soft looking. I just love getting a new good mascara. But I've heard such good things about this mascara. When I got a sample of it, there is no way I wasn't going to try it right away. So super cute. Now I have like really so many mascaras open. It's insane. I'm going to use the color Mile High from Gerard Cosmetics. It's a really pretty nude. And that just makes a really beautiful look. So thank you so much for being here today. I am in love with the Cutting Edge palette. It paid off great. It made a fantastic look. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.